Welcome back to this week's video, guys. We got the visor painted for the van. The van got some blinds, and I'm finishing up the sanding on here. I feel like crap. Got the flu. It snowed here last night, well, this morning too. I'm gonna show you what we've been doing here on this van. So stay tuned, enjoy, and just enjoy. Just watch. If you don't like it, just watch something else, I guess. But we'll get started on it. All right, I saved you guys on a lot of boring sanding, but from here, right here, all the way over, it's pretty much, it's done. A couple of things to fix, filler-wise, but no more sanding. All we got is this side here, and then I gotta straighten up where the sunroof goes, but it's slowly getting there. And we're out today, so I'll get back on it probably this weekend. So we'll see, guys. The videos may come out a little later, maybe like every 2 weeks or so. No big deal. You know, they'll still come. They're still coming, is what I'm saying. So it might take me a little bit, because I don't really record all of the sanding on this. It gets old, just watching somebody sand for, hours. So I'll see you guys whenever I get back on this. Be a week, it could be a couple days, it could be tonight, I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. All right, guys, I'm about to glue this roof right here, where it's been coming up and down, so I'm going to have to remove this. Might be easier if I get inside here, actually. It's supposed to be, sturdy on here, but it's not no more. Get some C-clamps and clamp us down real good. And I also got 2 holes I need to fill real fast. Instead of C-clamps, I'm using some wooden clamps for wood, obviously. It'll hold till it doesn't. I'm gonna try to find these holes real quick. Now this stuff does take like 24 hours to fully settle, so I'm not gonna mess with this anytime soon. I'll let that stuff sit for a while. And then get some more sanding done. And it's getting pretty close. Some body work, some grinding, you know, it's getting there slowly but surely. I'm about to put some filler on, so I'm gonna cover this up real fast in here so the filler don't drip out and get everywhere. Got a little much here, but I got some stuff to cover. On the other side. We'll let this stuff harden up. Put some there, and there's some back here in that corner. Right back here. Let it harden up. I might sand. I'm thinking about sanding the rest of this tonight, or not the rest of it, but start on it. But this stuff's got to harden up. I can't be sanding and getting dust everywhere on top of this. I don't feel too good. So I might just be done for the night. Get back on it some other day this week. We'll get to it though. It's getting closer and closer. I just reached down there and it came right off there. I'll grab another one. Let's see. Comes right off. Just make as big as a mess as you want. Hopefully this will be fairly close after I sand all this down. I'll probably have some high spots and, you know, some stuff to feather in and fix and beat in. And so we got the rest of this to sand. Then I gotta seam seal it. And after I seam seal it, it should be ready to paint as long as this body works fine. I believe so. I don't know. I'm done for the night. I'm going in to this box. And some of you guys might just skip this video and find something that's worth watching. But for the people that do care what's in this box, it's obviously for my van. And I finally scored me a set of blinds. Yes, they are dusty. They came out of a junkyard. They're not aluminum, but I think they're pretty cool, and I think they're gonna look sweet in the van. So I think I'm just put in one for now and see how easy it is to get one of them in, and go from there. There's 6 of them. Yeah, there's 6 of them. So they're not gonna be too bad to put on, and I just got a lot of crap inside the van, so it's gonna be hard moving around. So we'll stick these in real quick, see what they look like. I guess that. This one's a little warped. Still looks good though. They're in. And one of these broke off somewhere. I think they look pretty rad, dude. Look pretty sweet in there. A lot of crap in here right now. A lot of van parts. But I've been hunting them things down for a long time. Finally got me a set. Now it's time to go back to work on this beast. I got this side done where I'm happy with it for the night. Pretty smooth right there. The ribs look pretty, I think they look pretty good actually. Pretty happy with it. It's coming together nicely. Alright guys, I've been sanding for about 2 hours again today. I'm still sick, feel like crap. I'm really dusty, but the roof is finally done. It's finally sanded. I might have to fine tune, go over some small stuff, but the majority, well, all of the major stripping of the roof is done. The body filler work, I believe, is done. It just needs seam sealed now at this point. And just go over the entire roof after I dust it off, inspect it. You know, I might need to fix a couple dents here and there, but that's no big deal. And the stripping is what takes forever, and it's finally done. I'm gonna show you real quick. I have a huge mess of sandpaper to clean up, but the roof is done. Later. Finally stripped. And this is actually pretty smooth. I'm happy with the way this looks, how it turned out. excited to get this thing painted and get the sunroof put in it. Both all that, guys, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share with your friends if you want, I guess. But that's it. So see you next week or the week after. Thanks for watching.